I am Neha. I study in PDM College of Engineering. Today, I will be talking on WPF and its versatile applications in today's technique. So, before I start in telling you on the diversities of WPF, I will wrap up quickly on what is WPF. Window Presentation Foundation is a graphical subsystem for developing user interface in window-based application. Designed to remove dependencies on the aging graphical devices subsystem built on DirectX. It provides hardware acceleration and enables modern UI features like transparency, gradients, and transformers. These are providing great assistance in developing highly attractive UI for games and other applications that captivates the attention of the users and enforce his/her continuous participation in the activities enrolling around him or her. WPF provide a consistent programming model for building applications and provide a clear separation between the user interface and basic logic. WPF also offers a new markup language known as XML, which is an alternative means for defining UI elements and relationship with other UI elements. XML, abbreviated for Extensible Application Markup Language, is a declaration XML-based language designed to be used to define UI elements. The most beneficial aspect of this language is the user independence to use it, and he or she is free to structure information in his/her own ease. An embracing experience of it was when I had been to Egypt for embedded development in Imagine Cup 2009. The experience that I had there was one of the most thrilling. For the first time, I was the spectator to such a competing technology that promised to put an ease to the problem of having adequate number of personal computer system where student can have one-to-one interaction. As I was briefed on it that it could have been implemented by Adobe Flash also, but the best part of building WPF was that .NET Framework 3.0 and the above have the multi-point SDK. It only registers different number of USB that have been connected to the system inbuilt in it and can be used for programming applications, which specifies the lag that may arise in switching to other screen in game console. This is the major problem that arises in Flash, where it can be thought upon a layer which interact with another layer in the .NET framework, unlikely the WPF application where one can use the C# platform for coding also and the use inbuilt SDK. Apart from the above, WPF have been proving a significant mark by enrooting its growth in many features. To list them as graphical services, data binding, media services, layout, templates, animation, and many more. Interoperability between WPF and other technologies has been given a huge boost with work on two features, Direct 3D Image and Writable Bitmap. Direct 3D Image, introduced in 3.5 SP1, brings first-class interoperability between Direct 3D and WPF. Prior to Direct 3D Image, Direct 3D content would only be consumed by a WPF application by HWND hosting, a solution replete with caveats. Direct 3D Image breaks through the Direct 3D WPF interop barrier by allowing live Direct 3D content to be used in WPF application as an image source, meaning it can be used anywhere native WPF content can be used.